How to fix camera access problem on Snapchat. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to fix camera access problem on Snapchat. So first is you have to make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in Snapchat. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Snapchat application is actually updated. Now, if your application is already updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So let's go back to the home page, and after updating it, try to check your camera on Snapchat. As you can see, it is working, but if it's still not working, you may want to go to your settings, and on the settings, go to your app management and your app list. And here, if you scroll all the way down, you will see permissions under Snapchat. So you click on that, and here are the all the permissions that you could actually control for the application. As you can see, you want to give an access to the camera. So you want to go to camera, and let's say just if it's already an allow only while using the application, and if it's still not working, then you may want to set it on don't allow, then set it again to allow only while using the app. And go back to your Snapchat and check if it's still working or not. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.